Amazon Payday Secrets: How to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon is the world's biggest retailer online, and the best thing about them is that they are sharing their profits. You can make money while they are making money. The Amazon Associate Program provides compensation to their affiliate members who are referring customers to purchase in Amazon.com. They are offering a profitable opportunity for everyone to earn a huge amount of money. Amazon.com is a world-trusted brand. To prove, Nielsen research reported that Amazon is the most trusted brand worldwide and #1 most popular shopping destination online. Amazon has millions of loyal customers all over the world, and they spend more money in this online shopping marketplace than any other retailing site. By being an affiliate member of Amazon.com, you will get a commission to the products you refer to the people. The good thing is that a huge number of Amazon's online customers normally purchase more than one product per session. For this reason, as an affiliate member, you will not only earn a commission on the product that you are promoting for people to buy, but your commission will be based on all the products that they bought once they are on Amazon. The commission on Amazon begins at 4% and can increase up to 15%. If you just sell 4 products per month, your commission will increase to 6%. The compensation goes like this: the more products you sell per month, then the higher your commission will be. Imagine if you have a lot of customers and they are purchasing more than one product at Amazon, the commission you can obtain when the payday comes will certainly be a big amount of money. Here are the commission details. Compensation Option 1, Performance Fee Structure. When you become a member of this program, you will be automatically enrolled in the performance fee structure. This commission structure enables you to get higher fees once you generate an adequate amount of referrals that will result in sales on Amazon.com per month. The greater your referrals, the higher your earnings will be. With this commission structure, your advertising rate ranges from 4% up to 15% and will be based in the total amount of successful shipped items coming from Amazon and third-party sellers. For more details, refer to the chart below. Compensation Option 2, Classic Free Structure. This commission structure is the fixed referral rate plan. With Classic Free Structure, you will get 4% advertising fee on the products offered by third parties or Amazon.com. So, if you want to start making money using Amazon Affiliate Program, here are the things you should do. This will help you to make more money on Amazon.com. Successful factors to make money on Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Sign up and play by the rules. The first most important thing that you should do is to sign up with the Amazon affiliate program. Click on the link to register. First, sign in. Second, register. Once Amazon.com approves your application, you will be given an access to a special section on their site, which will give you many different ways on how you can link to the official website of Amazon or the products they sell. After that, you will have to create affiliate links in your website, which will lead directly to Amazon or any product that they are selling on their site. If the visitor of your site clicks in any of your approved affiliate links and directed to Amazon.com, and they bought any item at Amazon within the given time period which is stated in the affiliate agreement, you earn a percentage of commission for that successful purchase. As with the affiliate program, you need to follow strictly the terms of agreement, and be sure to promote the affiliate links in your site according to the affiliate agreement. Take note, if you will not follow correctly the terms of agreement of the affiliate program of Amazon.com, you will be removed from them and you will lose all the commission that you have earned since the time you have started as an affiliate associate. That would certainly be a huge loss in your part. For example, buying from Amazon.com using your own approved affiliate links may be a good idea as you will be able to get a discount, but for your information, this is considered as a violation of Amazon's terms of agreement. First-timers tend to do this, and they end up losing the commissions they have earned and the opportunity to make more money. There are others more, so read and understand the terms of agreement. In this way, you will be able to make sure that you can continue earning money from the affiliate program of Amazon.com. Choose a niche where profit is present. If you want to make sure that you will make money with Amazon affiliate program, one of the most important things that you should do is to choose the right niche. This is not all about selecting a niche that you are interested to engage with, but this is particularly about choosing a niche where there is profit. Well, there are some theories online on how to choose a good niche on Amazon.com, but the best way to find a profitable niche is to select a product niche that is reasonably new, which has a good market demand or search volume and priced at a reasonable amount. Another effective way for you to find a profitable niche is to identify your passion. Take, for example, you are passionate about books. You can go to Amazon.com and find out the most in-demand books nowadays and promote them. If you want, you can easily find a good niche by checking out the best sellers on Amazon.com. Go to their website, in the search box, click the arrow pointing down just beside it and a list of products by category will appear. Select the category that you want to engage with and click Go. Below the search box, there are a number of options to choose from for a better search result. There you will see the best sellers option, click it and it will show you the most in-demand products in that particular category. When you find a potential niche where there is profit, start building a good blog regarding this niche. You can start by building a free blog with WordPress and Blogger. Click the link, then sign up and create a blog. If you want, you can get started by getting your own server from HostGator or Bluehost. Once you already have a blog, start researching for a good keyword that is relevant to your niche using keyword research tools such as Google AdWords or Market Samurai for better search results. Consider those niche relevant keywords that have high searches and low competition. And if you find a good keyword for your niche, start making an article about it and use it to promote a certain product by putting a simple, yet enticing hyperlink message directing to Amazon.com or the particular product you are promoting. In this way, you will be able to increase your chance to drive your visitors to purchase the product you are promoting at Amazon.com. Create a product review site or blog review site. One of the most effective ways that affiliate marketers use to make money at Amazon.com is by creating a blog review or product review website for the items that they would like to promote and earn commission. A blog review, for example, is a great way to convince or drive the visitors of your site to visit Amazon.com and make a purchase. Once you found a list of products to promote on Amazon.com or any other reliable sources, write an enticing and honest review about them. Tell something that will educate your readers about the product, such as the advantages of it, the benefits it can provide and so on, as well as how that product can serve as a big help for them when they use it. In addition, include also some attractive facts such as discounts or money-back guarantee. This will help you to encourage your readers to try the product and buy it at Amazon. Take note, your new site cannot work on its own to attract online customers to visit your blog. You need to promote your site in order for you to be visited by potential customers. Promote your blog by article marketing, forum marketing, social bookmarking, social media marketing, and other effective online marketing strategies. Choose the right product to promote. The most ideal products to promote are those items that are in demand at this time. The rule here is simple: if the product is in demand, promote it, but if not, then don't. As simple as that. Why choose to risk your time for products that are not getting any good sales, if there are those saleable products available for you to choose from? Be wise. One of the best ways for you to choose a good product to promote is to be updated with the hottest trends. Anything that is currently advertised on the television or radio is an ideal product to promote online. You can watch The View and other popular shows to know the products that the show is promoting. Popular and reputable shows like The View are really influential, so when they promote the product of their guest, viewers tend to purchase it. Considered as the easiest method, another effective way for you to find an ideal product to promote is to go to the official website of Amazon, then check out their best-selling products. Find for a good product to promote that is related to the niche that you are going after into. Aside from these, you can also find an ideal product to promote by reading blog reviews or product review sites. Choose those products that have a lot of good customer reviews online. Put the Amazon links on the right place. Typically, for you to make money on this affiliate program of Amazon.com, your visitors should go to your website, click the valid affiliate links to be directed on Amazon, and buy from them. However, placing the approved link in the wrong location will lessen your chance to make money. The key here for you to succeed and earn money from this affiliate program is to put your approved affiliate links in the right place. It is very important to strategically put your Amazon affiliate links on your website in order for you to obtain the best results. Take note, your chance to make money with Amazon affiliate program will depend on the location of your affiliate links in your website. Putting the affiliate links on the right place, the higher your chance to drive a visitor of your site to purchase from Amazon.com. Some of the most effective ways for you to maximize your potential to make money from Amazon affiliate program is to put your approved links on banners, sidebar widgets, and articles or product reviews in your site. These are the best of all possible placements in your website, and these are the top locations that high-earning affiliate members are putting their approved links. To be particular, here are the most effective Amazon linking methods you can use to your full advantage. Recommended product links. This method enables you to display a number of product images with descriptions basing from the keywords that you have selected. This linking method will ensure that the products showed in your site are relevant to your niche. The nice thing with this is that you have the ability to control and modify the size of the display box according to your preference as well as its color. Search box. Placing a search box in your site that your visitors can use to search for products at Amazon.com is also a good linking method. If they found a product and followed the link to Amazon.com to purchase it, then you get commission for this. Content links. This Amazon linking method enables you to put a text link within a certain part of your article, which will lead to Amazon.com or to the page where the particular product that you are promoting is located. For example, perhaps you wrote an article or review about Samsung Galaxy. You can hyperlink word Samsung Galaxy using the exact URL of that product on Amazon.com, so that when the readers click it, they will be directed to it on the site of Amazon. Slideshow. This is one of the most effective linking methods available as it can easily attract the visitors of your site to check the product and go to Amazon.com. In this method, you just have to simply choose the products that you want to promote and they will eventually be displayed in the slideshow in a rotating order. The moving products from the slideshow can certainly get the attention of the visitors of your site, which in turn increases the chance that they will click them and take time to check them out on Amazon.com. Maximize your full potential to make money online with the use of this affiliate program. Use this guide to help you succeed in making money with Amazon affiliate program. So, if you want to ensure that you will make money with Amazon affiliate program, follow these things mentioned above and incorporate them properly. In this way, you will be able to make sure that you will earn higher amounts of money from being an affiliate associate of Amazon.com. If you like those audiobooks, please subscribe, give like and share to continue posting material. Thank you.